Meru Governor Peter Munya recently turned down his endorsement by the National Super Alliance leaders for his re-election in the August 8th elections. Munya's reaction came a day after NASA's recent two-day campaigns in the Meru region. And so tonight on Spotlight 2017, our reporter Murimi Mwangi delves into the intrigues of the NASA tour and interrogates the possible impact of the visit by the opposition on the 2017 vote.
With a sustained resistance to the recently launched Jubilee Party, the Meru region has arguably been the heartbeat of a fierce internal rebellion within the ruling Jubilee coalition in the Mount Kenya region. A feat that has attracted key political players within Jubilee to the region in the jostle for alternative party tickets in the race for key elective seats. And now, the opposition under the National Super Alliance, whose leaders last week mounted a major campaign within Meru and Tharaka Nithi counties in the hunt for the 2017 presidential votes.
Sisi tunasema tunakaribisha vyama vyote, na ndio mimi huyu ndugu ambaye anaitwa Peter Munya. Unajua watu wa Meru wote watakurudisha kama gavana wao. Na sisi tuko tayari kufanya kazi na wewe.
PNU is not a member of any coalition and we don't intend to join any coalition. We passed a resolution that we will be supporting the re-election of President Uhuru Kenyatta. That position has not changed. In 2013, Mpuri Aburi was elected Tigania East MP on an ODM ticket alongside Igembe Centro's Cyprian Kubai. But Orange Party leader Raila Odinga only garnered some 32,000 votes in Meru compared to President Uhuru Kenyatta's 384,000. Kubai and Aburi recently defected to the Jubilee Party. But the rousing welcome accorded to NASA leaders in select parts of Meru and Tharaka Nithi counties has ignited fresh debate on possible voting pattern in the region during the August 8th general election.
If situations are that the Meru find it more convenient to go it around without the Raja Mount Kenya region, then that's going to be the case. But the history of this relationship is such that it doesn't work.
Some people have just come out to see who Raila Odinga is, who Wetangula is. If they really wanted to see what crowds are, then they should come when the president or the deputy president is in Meru.
We are not going to leave any part of this country. We'll take our message across the country, the message of inclusivity, the message of reviving, or let me use it loosely, resurrecting our economy.
The old debate on the fate of Miraa farmers whose crop has been consistently facing market challenges is already dominating campaigns in Meru.
Kuanzia Miraa yaanzia mchozo wa Holland, kaendelea kuteremka ilipofika ya London, ikateremka. Sasa na imekuja ya Somalia, kwani imefunga kile maneno.
Niliweka ile task force ya Miraa, nitapokea ripoti yao wiki hii. Na ndio tuweze kujua sasa vile tutafanya pamoja kuhakikisha ya kwamba huo mmea umerudi pahali ulikuwa.
Ati task force ya kuangalia masaibu ya wakulima wa miraa. Ripoti hiyo task force umeona? Imetoka.
The Jubilee government has made sure to put a specification or to classify miraa as a crop, where now it will get a lot of facilitation through the Ministry of Agriculture.
But arguably the greatest headache for Jubilee could be the recent defections of key opinion leaders within Meru and Tharaka Nithi counties to the opposition. Professor Isaiah Kindiki, the elder brother to Senate Majority Leader Kithure Kindiki, has expressed support for NASA, accusing Jubilee of taking Tharaka Nithi residents for a ride.
In the hierarchy of things, we were told we were to perform the duties of the majority leader in the party. But what happened is that was forgotten. As soon as they occupied the offices, they forgot what they had pledged.
In 2013, Odinga garnered 7,120 votes in Tharaka Nithi County, compared to President Kenyatta's 128,000. Jubilee's key promise to Tharaka Nithi residents majored on infrastructure upgrade, a pledge which the opposition leaders argue has not been adequately fulfilled.
Chama yetu ni Jubilee. Manifesto yetu ni kama ya kuweka vifaa kwa hospitali na kujenga barabara na kuunganisha stima. Wale tunashindana na wao kwanza hata hawajui watapigia nani kura.
The Jubilee government for 4 gold years have cheated the Tharaka people because otherwise we have no good roads, no water, no electricity that they have sent. They have connected power to every school. Here we are at Kadangachizin. There is no power.
While the Tharaka Nithi vote is crucial to Jubilee, the onslaught here by NASA will no doubt send the Jubilee handlers back to the drawing board as the jostle for the 2017 vote intensifies. Murimi Mwangi, KTN News at Marema, Tharaka Nithi County.